Just 3 prunes a day to rebuild muscle after 50. The secret to regaining strength. Introduction. As we age, our bodies undergo various changes that can affect our health and well-being. From digestive issues to the loss of bone density and heart health concerns, maintaining vitality becomes more challenging. However, there is a simple, natural solution to help counteract many of these age-related challenges: prunes. Yes, prunes, those often overlooked, small, wrinkled fruits, have remarkable benefits for adults over 50. This article will delve into the incredible health benefits of prunes, particularly for adults over 50, and explore how they can help with everything from digestive health to bone health, heart health, and overall wellness. Along with expert insights, practical tips on how to incorporate prunes into your daily diet, and inspiring real-life success stories, you'll find all the motivation you need to start adding prunes to your routine. Part 1. The health benefits of prunes for adults over 50. 1. Digestive health, a natural remedy for constipation. One of the most common health issues that adults over 50 face is constipation. The digestive system naturally slows down with age, leading to irregular bowel movements, discomfort, and bloating. Prunes, however, offer a powerful and natural remedy to help manage constipation. Prunes are packed with fiber, specifically soluble fiber, which adds bulk to the stool and helps promote regular BVMs. They also contain sorbitol, a natural sugar alcohol that acts as a mild laxative, drawing water into the intestines to soften stool. This combination makes prunes incredibly effective in promoting healthy digestion. Expert opinion. Dr. Howard E. Lewine, MD, from Harvard Health, highlights that prunes are one of the most effective natural remedies for constipation, particularly in older adults. He explains, the high fiber content and natural sorbitol in prunes work synergistically to improve digestion and ease constipation. Scientific backing. Studies support Dr. Lewine's claims. According to research published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, prunes are shown to significantly improve bowel frequency and stool consistency in older adults who consume them regularly. The study concluded that prunes are more effective than other high-fiber foods or even fiber supplements in promoting regularity. By incorporating just a few prunes into your daily diet, you can experience relief from constipation and improve your overall digestive health. 2. Bone health, protecting against osteoporosis and fractures. As we age, the loss of bone mass becomes a significant concern. Osteoporosis, a condition characterized by fragile bones and an increased risk of fractures, affects millions of older adults. Prunes play an important role in maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis, making them a must-have in the diet of anyone over 50. Prunes are rich in vitamin K and potassium, 2 vital nutrients that help maintain bone density. Vitamin K is essential for bone mineralization and helps the body absorb calcium, while potassium plays a role in reducing calcium loss through urine. The high antioxidant content in prunes also helps combat oxidative stress, which contributes to bone loss. Expert insight. Dr. Julia Zumpano, a registered dietitian at the Cleveland Clinic, recommends prunes for older adults to support bone health. She notes, prunes have been shown to prevent bone loss, and regular consumption can even help regenerate bone tissue. They are a simple, natural way to protect your bones as you age. Research findings. Research from the USDA has shown that eating prunes daily can help preserve bone mass and prevent the bone thinning that leads to fractures. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that postmenopausal women who consumed prunes regularly had significantly higher bone mineral density compared to those who did not. By adding prunes to your daily diet, you can help protect your bones from the effects of aging and reduce the risk of fractures. 3. Heart health, lowering cholesterol and promoting circulation. Heart disease is another major health concern for adults over 50. High cholesterol, poor circulation, and increased inflammation contribute to an elevated risk of cardiovascular issues. Thankfully, prunes can play a key role in supporting heart health. Prunes are naturally rich in antioxidants, particularly phenolic compounds, which help reduce inflammation and protect the cardiovascular system from oxidative stress. They are also an excellent source of fiber, which helps lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol in the digestive tract and removing it from the body. Scientific backing. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming prunes regularly can significantly reduce LDL cholesterol levels and improve overall heart health. Additionally, research conducted by the American Heart Association suggests that prunes can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases by improving blood circulation and lowering cholesterol. By incorporating prunes into your diet, you can support your heart health, reduce inflammation, and lower your cholesterol levels, making them a powerful ally in preventing heart disease. 4. Managing blood sugar levels, a diabetic-friendly snack. For adults over 50, managing blood sugar levels is crucial to maintaining good health. Prunes, with their low glycemic index and high fiber content, make an excellent choice for people managing diabetes or those who want to regulate their blood sugar. Unlike high glycemic foods, prunes release sugar into the bloodstream slowly, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. The fiber in prunes helps slow the absorption of sugar, making them a safer option for those with diabetes. Expert opinion. Carissa Stevens, a registered dietitian nutritionist, recommends prunes for people with diabetes, saying, "Prunes offer a natural way to stabilize blood sugar levels, making them an excellent choice for diabetics. Their fiber content ensures that sugar is absorbed at a steady rate, helping to prevent blood sugar spikes." Research insights. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming prunes helped improve insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism in older adults. The study concluded that prunes could be an effective dietary addition for those with type 2 diabetes. Prunes are a safe, natural way to help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a great option for adults over 50 who want to manage their health. Part 2. How to incorporate prunes into your diet. Prunes are not only delicious but also incredibly versatile, making them easy to add to your diet in a variety of ways. Here are some practical tips to help you incorporate prunes into your daily routine. 1. Daily consumption tips. Recommended serving size: aim to consume 3 to 4 prunes daily, roughly 25 to 30 grams. This amount provides all the digestive, bone, and heart health benefits without overconsumption. 2. Creative ways to eat prunes. Morning oatmeal. Chop prunes into your morning oatmeal for a fiber-rich, energy-boosting start to the day. Greek yogurt. Add prunes to plain Greek yogurt for a tasty, nutrient-packed breakfast or snack. Smoothies. Blend prunes into smoothies for a naturally sweetener and a dose of vitamins and antioxidants. Standalone snack. Enjoy prunes as a standalone snack for a quick, healthy energy boost in the afternoon. 3. Incorporating prunes into various meals. Salads. Add chopped prunes to salads for a sweet, flavorful twist. Baked goods. Use prunes in baked goods like muffins, bread, or granola bars for added fiber and sweetness. Prune juice. For those who prefer liquids, prune juice is an easy and effective way to reap the benefits of prunes. 4. Practical considerations. Choosing quality prunes. Opt for organic, pitted prunes without added sugar or preservatives. Storage tips. Store prunes in a cool, dry place in an airtight container to maintain their freshness and flavor. Part 3. Success stories. Real-life examples of how prunes help older adults. Prunes have been a life-changing addition to many older adults' diets. Here are a few success stories that demonstrate the tangible benefits of consuming prunes regularly. Case Study 1. Thomas, 72. Thomas had struggled with constipation for years, which affected his daily routine and overall well-being. After incorporating prunes into his diet, he noticed significant improvements in his digestion. I feel lighter and more energized now that I don't have to worry about digestive issues, he shared. His daily intake of prunes not only improved his digestion but also increased his energy levels. Case Study 2. Elaine, 65. Elaine, a retired nurse, had been diagnosed with osteopenia, a precursor to osteoporosis. Concerned about her bone health, she added prunes to her diet, as suggested by her doctor. After a few months, Elaine experienced improvements in her bone density, which were confirmed by a follow-up scan. She now uses prunes regularly in her morning smoothie as part of her bone health regimen. Part 4. Expert opinions on the role of prunes for older adults. Prunes are recommended by many health professionals for their ability to improve digestion, bone health, and overall vitality. Here are a few expert opinions. Dr. Matthew Solon, director of Harvard Men's Health Watch, states that prunes are a powerful tool in fighting age-related digestive issues and promoting bone health. Dr. Julia Zumpano, a registered dietitian at the Cleveland Clinic, recommends prunes to her patients for their antioxidant properties, which help reduce inflammation and protect against chronic conditions. Dr. Elizabeth Owens, a nutrition expert, advises that prunes are a natural, effective remedy for constipation and a key component in a heart-healthy diet for older adults. Part 5. Research and surveys supporting the benefits of prunes. The positive impact of prunes on health is not just anecdotal. Scientific research and surveys also confirm their benefits. Study findings. A study conducted by the University of California revealed that daily consumption of prunes can significantly reduce the risk of osteoporosis in postmenopausal women. Survey results. A survey conducted by the American Geriatrics Society showed that 62% of adults aged 60 plus who consumed prunes regularly reported improvements in their digestive health and overall well-being. Conclusion. Prunes are much more than just a tasty snack. They offer significant health benefits for adults over 50. From improving digestion and supporting bone health to promoting heart health and managing blood sugar, prunes should be a staple in the diet of older adults. By incorporating prunes into your daily routine, you can experience these incredible health benefits and enjoy a better quality of life as you age. With expert opinions, research findings, and success stories to back them up, prunes are a simple, natural, and effective way to enhance your health and well-being. Start adding prunes to your diet today and share this knowledge with others. Your health and independence depend on it.